Okay, what's up, guys? This is Marc Augustine here, and in this video, we are going to go over what it took to get a sale with the $20 profit margin, more or less, within 24 hours. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Who am I? My name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping for over 10 years on 4 different platforms. Sammy, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah, hi, my name is Sammy. I've been dropshipping on eBay for the last 6 years, and I'm happy to be here.
And Sammy is also my business partner or co-founder of Ecom Sniper. And what you're gonna see here, we did a video yesterday. If you're looking at this video and you haven't checked out the video yesterday, I'll put the previous video in the link in the description so you can go check it out. But what we are doing, we are documenting what it takes to dropship on eBay, and we're using all different strategies. So you guys should definitely like and subscribe to follow the journey. So yeah, so what are we looking at here, Sammy?
Okay, so yesterday we went ahead and we posted a whole bunch of items, right? But this is the sale that we got, right? So let's go ahead and let's just break down what happened yesterday. And by the way, everything we did was more or less on video.
Yes.
So that's like the most exciting part. So let's go ahead and check. Remember, yesterday we had 0 items on the account, like 0. Like
Right.
24 hours ago, we had 0 items onto the account. Today we have 1,055. Our goal yesterday was to go ahead and post like 2,000 items. By the way, these are all the tabs that are working. It's listing all the items onto our eBay account. It shows us the status of what happened. Like for example, this one is showing it didn't work. This one showed it submitted the listing. All of this stuff was happening automatically, right? I'm gonna close this in a second, but so if we open up our bulk lister, you can see that it went through 1,800 items, and when we got a yield of 1,000 items and 65. That means some of the items are either Vero, means copyright items. It was either out of stock or the price wasn't matching, something like that, right? There was a shipping delivery price, but whatever the case, when you're bulk listing, you have the confidence to know that the items that are gonna be posted are items that are actually gonna be in stock. You're not
Right.
posting out of stock items or anything like that. So let's just go ahead and close. Let's just pause the software for now because we're gonna be recording right now. So let's go ahead and just close all the tabs, and then we can go ahead and let's go ahead and fulfill the order, and we can talk about all the nuances and stuff in between it. Yeah. So somebody asked me recently, they want the order sheet. You can we'll give you the link. You can just go sign up on Ecom Sniper. It's free, right? Under the resources section, there's gonna be a link for the spreadsheet. So you can go ahead and grab that from there. Yeah. Alrighty, so first things first, let's go ahead and press view order details. Right, so vibrant metal sculptures. What is this? Intricate rooster home decor. I'm absolutely shocked that people buy this. Honestly, man. I'm shocked, yeah? Press find SKU. There we go. We open up the Amazon item price. It's $33.59 and there's a 35% coupon. Right, we're selling it for $46.15. We this is how much money that's sending straight into your bank account after all the fees. A bunch of people, they make videos they're always oh, I made this much, and then they show you the order total. But no, man, we're showing you the exact actual number, right? So $46.15, right? The price is $33.59. Let's go ahead and open up our Amazon account. Right, we have our Amazon account in a new profile, so we keep everything clean. And so we open up a new tab, put in the item, right? Click the 35% coupon, apply to 1 item per order at checkout, right? We're gonna go ahead and add it to cart, right? And we press add to cart, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna proceed to checkout, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the customer's information. So we're gonna use this credit card. Let's not use the promotional balance, because I just want to show you how much the actual price and everything is. So tomorrow, free 1-day delivery. The customer is gonna get it instantaneously tomorrow, right? So let's go ahead and change the shipping address. Right, the shipping address right over here. We're gonna put the customer's information. So these are all dropship addresses. We're gonna add a new address, right? And let's go ahead and start copying and pasting from Amazon, from eBay. Okay, so Harold Passwaters. All right, full name. We're gonna put that phone number. We'll just keep it the same for now. By the way, we're gonna enable an option so that future orders we're gonna get their phone numbers. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna look through it. We're gonna find it together. So city, what is this? Wrong one. Laurel. Detroit. Oh, Delaware, right?
Delaware.
Delaware, yeah. Okay. Postal code. All right. So we're gonna press use this address, and then you'll see that the order total is 33.59 because Delaware has no taxes. And then we can just go ahead and place our order. Cool. There we go. It was that simple, right? What is it? Said 33.59 because there was no tax. So
Right.
let's go ahead and put this in our data sheet, right? So let's go ahead the cost of goods. This is gonna be a first entry for this account, 33.59. Right, and then 33.59. Oh, by the way, didn't we get a coupon? What happened to
Yeah, but
that?
the coupon wasn't applied.
Oh, because I didn't add the promotional. That was the coupon. That's $11 was the
Yes.
coupon. Let me see if I can edit it. Let me see if I can edit it right now. Your credit. Nah, bro, it's not.
Yeah, the coupon doesn't show up again.
Yeah. Like I think yeah, let's go ahead and use the coupon. Let me cancel this order real quick. And we can just do it again.
Yeah, because that's leaving $11 on the table.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go ahead and just do that right now. So there you go, guys. If you make a mistake, go ahead and just cancel it. Order has been canceled. You can cancel it, no problem, yeah? So let's go ahead and open up that item once more. I was wondering, like, I saw the
Yeah,
11.59. I was thinking,
when you took it, you thought it was a balance from a previous order or something.
exactly, yeah. I was thinking, like, like, what is this? Like, let's not mix the profits together. Like, and now it makes sense. This is
Right.
where the coupon came from, yeah? So let's go ahead and change the address to that guy's address again. His name was Harold, yeah? Did we not,
Yeah.
did we have to put it again? Oh, there we go. Harold Passwater, Delaware.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can press use this address, right? And then where we added the promotional balance, we're paying 21.83, guys. That's awesome. Tuesday, August 1st. So he's gonna get the item prime delivery on August 1st. So right now it's the 30th. So he's gonna get it in 2 days
2 days.
on Tuesday. Okay, that's cool. Today's Sunday, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. 21.83. This is a duplicate order. You just placed an order for this item. Are you sure you want to place the same order? Place this duplicate order. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we do. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it 21.83. Nice. And then we sold it for, it's even more ridiculous than we thought. 46,615. Yeah, it was even more ridiculous than we thought. 46.15. And then let's go ahead and put the order number on eBay. Let's go right here over here. So this is by the way, record number is this is where we put the eBay order ID, right?
Yeah.
The record number. For the order number, we put the Amazon order number. So we just get it from purchase ID just at the top. We just grab it from the link. You can go ahead and find it when you click the link, but it shows you right in the URL, so we don't have to do it. So order number, we put it right over here. and then we sold one of them. Let's go ahead and write we're gonna copy the name of the item. By the way, guys, look, vibrant metal sculpture, intricate rooster home decor, right? Metal sculpture, multicolor iron rooster home furnishing crafts. Look at ours, man. Vibrant metal sculpture, intricate rooster home decor. Tells you exactly the size. Look at this. The listing screams at you to buy it. You know what I mean? Like extra 5% off. We put a sale. I'm gonna walk through the sale with you guys, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and just put this title because this is our title on eBay. It'll just help us find it if we ever need it. And we made the sale on the 7th, 30, 2023. That's it. And then we go ahead. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mark this as shipped, right? But we're gonna add a note. Right, the note, once more, remember, like we had a video on this, but for anybody watching, the reason we add a note is because we want to make sure we know exactly who fulfilled the order and what Amazon account they use in case there's ever a return or we have to investigate or anything like that. So SS stands for shipped, right? And then I go ahead and I put the Amazon email. So I'm just for example, this is just Victor's email. So we're just gonna go ahead and write Victor's email out at gmail.com, and then I'm gonna write my name, Sammy, and I'm gonna put the date that I went ahead and did this. So once I make this note, if anybody ever looks into the account, they'll know that, okay, SS means the item was shipped. It was shipped with this Amazon account, and it was ordered by Sammy on 7/30/2023. So
And
there's
that's
no
to
need.
make sure that there's no mix-ups, especially when there are multiple people on the account.
Exactly. That way, you know exactly who ordered it, where the order is. You know, you can go ahead and track it down, right? If a customer says, "Where's my item?" Like if they need an update, you know exactly which Amazon account you use and everything like that, right? So we're gonna go ahead and
So
mark
that's
it
a
as shipped.
$20. That's a profit of over $20 on the first
Exactly.
item.
Exactly. So we just went ahead and marked it as shipped. We can go ahead and just calculate the profit for everybody watching, yeah? Like, tell me if you can see my calculator.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go ahead and do 46.15. Oops, let's go 46.15 minus 21.83. There you go. $24.32. Ridiculous. That's ridiculous. 24 hours again, you know, one item, we went ahead and shipped it out. But I would say the true profit is, you know, we got kind of lucked out with the coupon. So let's go ahead and actually do like what you can actually expect. Minus 33.59. There you go. That's what you should expect. Yeah, that's what you should expect. But you know what? You can just, if you make enough Amazon accounts, you can just keep applying 35% off coupon. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
but let's not walk down that road right now.
Yeah. Fair enough.
So yeah,
I would do that though. I would make
yeah.
100 accounts and do that. That's how, like, you gotta take advantage as you can, right? But yeah, so
So
sorry, go
guys,
ahead.
if you're watching this, look into Ecom Sniper. There's a link in the description. It would be very helpful if while you're watching our videos, you have the software. Also, we're giving away the Ecom Sniper Basic, very, very basic. You could sign up and it's free forever. It doesn't have the AI tools, but you could check the link in the description and let us know what you think.
Yeah, right over here, free forever. That means that you can list 1,000 items. It doesn't use any of the AI. You're not gonna get the collages, but just understand, when I started dropshipping, that's what I had. That's what I used, and it works. Right? So don't think this is inferior. It works, man. It's gonna speeding up the process. You're gonna be able to make sales. You know, it's just the AI goes ahead and makes it so much faster. All right. So just to continue off, like I went ahead and like I saved these parts for you guys so you can watch along. Like the purpose of this video series is so that you can kind of like come through and watch this process with me. By the way, I have to send a message to the buyer. So let's go ahead and finish that up because like we gotta let them know that their item is coming in at so and so date, right? So let's go ahead and send a message to the buyer. Oh, by the way, let's go ahead and do one more thing. In our note, we're just gonna write ETA, means estimated time of arrival, and we're gonna put
August.
exactly. So that way we're gonna know that when the item is expected to come, and then we're gonna go ahead and send a message to the buyer, let him know that his item should come by August 1st. So that way he can, keep an eye out. The reason why we really sending him the message is because we want the guy to like have a lookout to make sure that he's checking outside, right? So let's go ahead and send him a message. I'm gonna open up ChatGPT, and you guys can kind of like see what I do. Okay. So Marc, you can see my ChatGPT, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and let me go ahead and just close my other tabs. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna pull up his name. I'm gonna pull up his name, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just create a message for him. By the way, guys, like it's only taking this long for us right now is because we're doing it live on camera, but we have our scripts and everything already like ready. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a letter for me, right? I am sending a message to a buyer on eBay through their messaging app, right? To let them know their item has been shipped and they should expect it on Tuesday, August 1st, 2023. The buyer's name is, by the way, so this is how you automate customer service. Like some people would want to know this. Once you have a good script one time, you can go ahead and like reuse it over and over again. And I'll show you how I like filter through this process to make the perfect script, right? And you want to tailor it as much as you can. I don't want to give you guys my own script because like that's not how you learn. You want to learn how to make your own like beautiful scripts, right? And like you can tailor it to your business, right? So the buyer ordered. So let's go ahead and just pull up the item name. Right. Please create a draft of a letter to send the buyer, telling him we appreciate him supporting our small family business, and we want to upsell him, right? We're already creating a letter to him. Let's go ahead and give him a coupon. We'll make a coupon. We'll send it to him so he can order more things from our store. Right? We want to just maximize what we can from this one buyer, and we want to send him a coupon of 5% for future orders, so he can go ahead and have it. The coupon code will be called Save More, and what's the name? Harold. There we go. Okay, so let's go see what ChatGPT gives us. Your order. Dear Mr. Passwaters, I hope this message finds you well. I'm pleased to inform you that your order of the vibrant metal sculpture has been shipped and it's on its way. You can expect to receive it. We want to take a moment to express, as a token of our appreciation, we would like to offer you a special 5% discount. Guys, I would say this is a horrible letter. The reason why is because these are like the copy and paste one that Amazon goes ahead and sends you. Like, what do you do when you see that? It's a robot, right? So let's go ahead and say, this sounds like a robot. Give it a natural tone coming from a father of two kids. They just being very happy. Someone someone ordered from you. Like let's get the tone right? People love family businesses, right? See, look at this. Much nicer tone. Hey, Harold, I've got some exciting news. Right? I can't begin to tell you how much this order means to me and my family. Running a small family isn't easy, especially while juggling life with two love. Like look at that. How much more personal it became almost instantly.
Yep.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it, right? Let's go ahead and just send this letter to him.
We have to
Like,
create the coupon as well.
yeah, let's go ahead and create the coupon. Let me go exactly how you would do it. I go to selling, you press marketing, right? And then I would write, you go ahead and click uh promotions at the left side, right? And you're gonna create promotion coupon, and then we're gonna go ahead and write save more Harold. That's the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Public coupon, extra 5%. Usage unlimited, set a budget, all inventory. Save more. Thanks for supporting our small family business. There you go. All right, schedule start date. We're gonna launch the coupon. There you go. Cool. Save more, Harold. Yeah, we made our coupon. Let's go ahead and send our message out. All the best, hey Harold, and then just to make sure that save more Harold, and then all the best, Victor. I can't be. You're not just buying a decoration. You're supporting our dreams. Like, my God, man, this is beautiful. This is service. This is service, man. It's getting me emotional. All right, we sent the letter out. Guys, make sure, like, think about what we just did here. We went ahead and we got an order, and we didn't ignore the customer. We messaged them. We let him know that he means a lot to us, right? Because remember, they do. Without him, we wouldn't have made 20 bucks today. This guy is, the one who paid you. So you better, like, make sure you're giving him the best service you can. Send them emails, right? Send them thank yous. And then finally we went ahead and we made a coupon for him so that he can come back and buy more. You know what I mean? This is what you do. This is how you run a business, right? All right, cool. So that order is taken care of. It's ready to go. We let him. Did we put August first? Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, we put.
Perfect. Alrighty. So let's go ahead, and the next thing we want to do is I save this offer for us to record, right? Whenever you go ahead and you get an offer over here, right? You want to send this out as soon as possible because this is your chance to make a sale, right? This is your chance to go ahead and, like, convince the customer to go ahead and buy it from you because you're sending him an offer. So let's go ahead and send him 5%. Hey, thanks for checking out our small family business. Here's a special discount for the first person who goes ahead and uses it. Don't wait. So there you go. So let's go ahead and just make sure you don't have any spelling errors because that doesn't look too good, right? Make sure this is percentage off. So what we're doing right now is we're going ahead and we're sending an offer to all of the people who are interested. These interested people, remember, look at what eBay tells us, right? They haven't purchased it. They're watching your items. They had the item in their shopping cart for a period of time. They viewed your listing multiple times. They're a buyer in good standing on eBay. So basically, the people who are eligible for the offer are people who are highly interested in this item. So that means that if you're sending them a coupon, they're very likely to convert. So go ahead and send your coupon, like an offer to them.
And that's
right?
something that you do every morning. That's
Every
an action. We'll create a action plan for you guys as well. But
Exactly.
of certain things that need to happen every day to make sure that this business is run properly.
I do this. I do this actually, like, every time I log into the account. Like, every time I see it, I check the offers because think about it from a buyer's perspective. You had it in your cart. If you wait too long, they're not gonna, like, you're gonna forget.
Yeah, you're not gonna react to it. But once you see it right away.
Exactly, right? So, but I saved this for the video so everybody watching can get some real value right off the bat, right? So there we go. We sent the offer out, and then let's go ahead and talk about the last thing that we did to go ahead and, like, try to make sure that we were getting sales as quickly as possible, right? So I went ahead and went on marketing, and I did a markdown sale. I did 2 of them, right? So you can see the markdown sale. One has 400 items, one has 500 items, right? And right over here, I made a sale on the account, right? That is only 24 hours long, right? And what that means is if someone goes ahead and tries to purchase the item, right? They're gonna go ahead and they're gonna see that they're gonna get a 5% discount. Let me go ahead and like show you one of the. I'll show you how it looks. So right, let's say a buyer goes ahead and like they go ahead and they see this item right over here. They're gonna see sale ends in 7 hours and 20 minutes. So they're gonna feel very pressured to go ahead and make this purchase. And we're giving them a 5% discount. The reason why is because I'm raising the price by 65%. So I can give them a 5% discount, no problem. You know what I mean? It goes ahead and like really like if someone sees a sale, they feel like, okay, this is urgent. I only have 7 hours left. I better buy it now. You know what I mean? And then I made another thing. I made a coupon for anyone who goes ahead and buys 2 or more items. And I made the coupon code save on more for anybody. So that way I'm getting more purchases. And if they're buying 2 or more items, I can offer them another 5%, and I'm fine with getting that. So I'll show you how we go ahead and create a promotion. Like Mark, let me know if I'm speaking too fast because
Yeah,
I'm
you
sometimes
you're not speaking fast, but I think that the how to create well, you could create it. We should create it now, but we'll split it up in another video.
yeah, like maybe we'll make a long form content about that. Is I think because the thing is, I want to we should keep everything that we do on camera, so
Right,
anybody
right.
following they can see like exactly the process. So let's go ahead and press. We selected 5%, right? So let's go select items, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and just click, all of the items that we didn't get yet. So let's go ahead and click it. There we go, 200 out of 500. Um, yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead and by the way, exclude discounted items. So that way, you're only like making an offer you're making a discount with only the items that don't have it. Because I've posted like multiple items already. So let's just do that again. Because I already have 3 sales now. I'm making the 4th one, right? But I don't want to like stack sales.
Right.
So let's go ahead and just click it. Confirm. We have 145 items. Confirm selection. And save and review. And then let's go ahead. We're gonna start it. I'm not gonna include this. Let's go ahead and press start now. We're gonna make a 1-day sale. We're gonna put on today's the 31st is good. Let's put it for 9 p.m. Weekend sale. Don't wait. Okay, let's go. And we're gonna launch it, and there we go. We just started our sale with 145 items, and we're good to go. This is gonna show us like a sale on all of the items, and then when users go ahead and come to our store, they're gonna be able to go ahead and get another 5% off. Yeah. All right. So the last thing we're gonna do, like this is the last thing we're gonna do for this account, is we're gonna go ahead and let's look at our traffic, right? This all happened within like 24 hours, literally. Like we started posting 24 hours ago, right? So within 24 hours, we got 60,000 items that are like eyeballs onto our listing. 436 people went ahead and clicked it. One of them converted into a sale. And so these are our click-through rate and our sale-through rate. So what we have to do moving forward is we got to figure out how to make more of these people who see the item, right, click on it. And then we got to figure out how we can make more of these people go ahead and purchase it. You know what I mean? We already do a lot of the work, but we're improving the software continuously. And the solution that we have right now to have even more impressions is instead of like copying an entire person's store, right? What we're gonna do now, moving forward, right, is we're gonna go ahead and let's say we're gonna find an item on Amazon. Let's
Hold on
go ahead and just
1 second. 1 second. Sorry.
sure. You want to pause it?
Okay, guys. So what I want to do is I want to step away for a second. So Sam, you want to take over the call and just finish up?
Yeah. I'll just finish up then.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, like just continuing from where we left off, right? So one thing that we want to do to make sure that we're gonna be increasing our impressions, right? The amount of like views that we get on our items, right? Is we want to make sure that we're gonna be listing like high quality items. Like, you know, if you go ahead and like list 1,000 phone cases, that's not gonna really sell, right? So we want to make sure we have like the best items that we can possibly list. And so let's go ahead and like find, and I'll show you guys how I would do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press paddle. I'm just gonna like the first step is to go ahead and find a drop shipper. The best way to find a drop shipper is go ahead and see what people who are listing the bestseller items from Amazon. So our button, we have a button right over here, right? Which, you know, ecom snipers button is gonna go ahead and just copy this title and search it on eBay. So there we go. And now we find like, look at this. Some guy, he look at this. He put eBay, he put bestseller. You know what? This was super eye catchy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This was awesome. That caught my eye right away. I'm gonna take a screenshot and I'm gonna make an update on the software and maybe I'll include this picture later on. So basically we know that anyone who's selling this price item for more than $24.99 is a dropshipper. We know he's a dropshipper. We know this guy's a dropshipper. We know this guy's a dropshipper. We know this guy's a dropshipper. Right? So what we want to do,
Yeah, sorry about that. I'm back.
no problem. Actually, Mark, I wanted to discuss something with you. I just stumbled across something that I thought was pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So this guy, like, so this paddle set, right? I was explaining that, you know, to find drop shippers from Amazon, the fastest way is to look for people who are selling the bestseller items.
Right.
Right. So I click this button and it shows all the bestseller items. And what caught your eye right off the bat? Which listing?
The first one with the red square.
Exactly. What I think the border was very enticing, but I
Yeah.
think what caught my eye was the eBay.
Huh.
You know what I'm saying? Like for me, like when I saw that eBay, for some reason, like it gave me so much like familiarity. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
it made me feel like, okay, I recognize this not for the item, but because of it said eBay. You know, like we using the ecom sniper goes ahead and like uses the color blue and stuff like that in the description template because it's the same colors as eBay. So we're just trying to like make sure we feel familiar. So the
Yeah,
fact
but
that this
I wouldn't say, I mean, that's interesting. And it like it draws your attention, but I'm not sure if you could use the eBay logo in your listings because if you look at
no, you're not
that
allowed
seller
to.
is only has 47 feedback, so it's not like a
For
very
sure, for sure. But what if you're using the same color scheme instead?
yeah, I get it.
You know what I mean? Like I thought that was very interesting, you know, like I just took a screenshot of it. And I think for future, like I'm gonna do some experimenting because that felt extremely familiar. Like imagine a
Yeah,
border with the eBay colors, red, blue, yellow, green. You know
uh,
what I mean?
I
It
know,
would
I know what you mean,
yeah,
but you
like
have to be very careful and ensure that also because the hero image you have now, it does look very professional. So be careful with trying to reinvent the wheel too much.
no, I hear you. I hear you for sure. Like don't get me wrong. Like the hero images that, by the way, guys, the hero images. What Mark is talking about is whenever you go ahead and you click an item with Ecom Sniper, right? We go ahead and we generate a whole bunch of images automatically, right? So this is our hero image. We have the bestseller. We have the three paddles. Like it looks very professional and clean, right? We're gonna obviously beat this guy's picture, right?
Yeah,
But I was just commenting. I thought it was kind of nice.
yeah.
Anyways,
Mhm.
so now that we found like a whole bunch of drop shippers, right? What we want to do is instead of looking and copying his entire store, let's go ahead and we're only looking for the items that actually sold. Like you can see that like he sold 75 items, right? If this button opens up his account and shows only the sold items on his account. So you can see that this item sold, right? This item sold, right? Like we can see, like we can just kind of do some, like we can see this paddle sold. Surprisingly, this sold as well. right? So it's clearly his template is working. You know, we can see a whole bunch of things, right? He's giving the same validate. It doesn't look clean. It's not professional. For
Yeah, it
sure.
doesn't look professional.
No, it doesn't look professional, but I like the concept.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
yeah. Anyway, so let's go ahead and like he proven these items are selling. So we're just gonna go ahead and extract all the titles that are selling, right? So that means that we can see over here that, oh yeah, I forgot to clear it. Let me just clear it again. And then I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. So we're gonna go ahead and just extract only the items that sold from his account. So I don't want to copy his entire store. I only want to go ahead and, you know, extract items that sold, right? So this one, I have 75 results, right? It says complete. I can go ahead and see that 75 items sold. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what? Let's go ahead and just stop our bulk lister. Like we can clear it. Let's forget about, we don't need it anymore. Like we're not gonna finish it. We're gonna go ahead and moving forward, we're only gonna start listing items that sold. So that way we're targeting like the best items. So now let's go ahead and open up our product hunter. Right, let's go ahead and clear this. Right, and then we're gonna go ahead and press import. So we know that all of these titles have proven to sell in the last 30 days or so. So we're gonna just go ahead and get a whole bunch of items from Amazon, and we're gonna go ahead and list it on our eBay store. So we're just gonna press search title, and it's gonna search all of these titles one by one on Amazon, and we're gonna get a whole bunch of items ready to list onto our account, right? So there we go. So yeah, let's go ahead and just wait until the 75 results are done, and we can kind of like, once this is done, we can we'll throw it into the bulk lister. And then until then we can just kind of like um talk about like the one thing that I kind of like wanted to get into, like since we are like, you know, like starting to do this, is what was the topic that we were talking about before this, right? We were saying that um people need to understand that your results are not directly linked with how much time you invest. You got to work smart. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? If you guys have a better idea than us, right? Don't feel scared to go ahead and ask us those, like, to go ahead and implement your techniques into our software, right? Yeah, we're experts. We've been doing this for a long time, but you know, we're not oblivious to the fact that many people have other experiences, better ideas. Maybe they have like a unique way to go ahead and make even more sales. So, you know, if you go ahead and have another idea, just make sure you feel comfortable enough. Leave a comment. We're gonna read it, or get in contact with us, and maybe we'll even add it to the software just for you, because you know, like we're on this journey together to make sure that we win this battle, right?
Yeah, and
eBay dropshipping.
you could either comment on the video or jump in any one of our communities on Facebook or on Telegram.
Exactly. Mark, do you want to like pause the video, and then like we can just wait for the product hunter to finish, and then we'll go ahead and
Okay, guys, so we're back as the product hunter is finished, but understand what we just did.
Mhm.
First, Sammy sniped an actual seller on eBay to get all of the titles of the items that have sold, that have successfully sold, and then went across to the product hunter on Ecom Sniper and requested 2 listings for each one of those
Search queries.
search queries, each one
Yeah,
of those titles, because these are the actual titles from eBay store. And now
exactly.
after a couple of minutes here, we have generated 133 listings.
Exactly. So now we're ready to go ahead and just throw this into our account. I'm just, you know what? I'm gonna let's just do a quick filter if we see anything that we don't like. Um, you know what? Honestly, I think all this stuff sells. So let's just go ahead and just post it. You know what I mean? Let's just make it a quick run through so that we don't see any books or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Or TVs or anything like that.
Yeah. But we have our maximum price for 120, so we're kind of protected
Okay,
from
sure.
like those high ticket items. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and press export, copy all links, right? And we're gonna go to our bulk lister, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and just paste it in. 10 threads means 10, it's gonna post 10 things simultaneously. Let's go ahead and press list. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's gonna go ahead and list all 133 items. So we don't need our product hunter anymore. You know, I'm gonna probably off camera later on, I'm gonna probably scan like another couple guys, and then I'll just throw it into the product hunter, because the goal of this account, right? We already got one sale in 24 hours with 1,000 listings. The goal for this account is to list 10,000 items, and we're gonna be documenting that journey to 10,000 items, yeah.
Right.
And we're marking up the price by 65%, and we're using this watermark. Maybe I'm gonna change this watermark because we changed up every time we change up our strategy, we should go ahead and change the watermark. That way, you know, you can kind of see which strategy is working the best.
Right.
You know what I mean? And whenever, oh, by the way, I forgot the main thing that we want to do also is like, because we got a sale, right? We want to make sure we're selling similar items.
And we have to relist this item as well.
Yes, that slipped my mind. Yeah, good point. Yeah. So let's go ahead and relist this item real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is the fast way to do it is just copy the item number from the top. Right, I'm gonna just go ahead and press selling. Right, we're gonna go to listings, and we're gonna go ahead and search with our title, with our item number. So let's go ahead and search with the item number right over here is equal to this number. Press search, and then right over here we can see that. By the way, look at this. It only got one view and it's sold. So bunch of views does not necessarily mean that, oh, but I'm gonna put 3 quantity because it already proven to sell once. We can put 3 quantity, no problem, yeah. So that way, if more people can go ahead and buy it. But look, it only had one views in the last 30 days, right? Only one person looked at it, and one person bought it right away. So it's not really about getting a whole bunch of views. A lot of views is gonna help you sell more for sure. But the main thing is, you know, we have 100% conversion rate from that one view. So that means that our listing, our copy, our description all had a perfect funnel. That one person came, right? He was looking for this. He went through the funnel and then he was able to purchase it, right? So that means that, you know, like you can get 100 views and you get 100 orders. And you can get 1,000,000 views and 0 orders. Your funnel is important. And that's probably the most important thing. So we're gonna get more sales as time goes by. But there we go. We went ahead and we changed the quantity to 3. And the next thing that we do is, because this item sold, we want to make sure that we're listing more of this item, like maybe like things in home decor. So the way we were going to do that is, while our bulk lister is working, we can just open up our product hunter, right? Let's open up our product hunter, and we're going to find like some similar items. We don't need this. We already scanned these 2 things. Let's go ahead and open up our keyword tool, and we're going to go ahead and type home decor. Right, let's go ahead and put eBay. Right, we're gonna put home decor. We're gonna search this, and then what's gonna happen is it's gonna give us a whole bunch of results for home decor, like keywords that sold on eBay, and then we're gonna go ahead and like extract it onto our account. So let me see, where's the button? Yeah? Let's just wait for that word to. Let's wait for that. So let's go press home decor. And these are the keywords that we want to go ahead and like search on Amazon one by one, yeah. So I think it looks like this website updated, so we're gonna have to make an update on the keyword. Oh, there we go. Keywords. I guess it was just slow. Okay, there we go. Scrape keywords. So we're gonna get home decor, decor clearance, modern home decor. Right, press allow. What is this? Okay. So there we go. See all of these keywords. This home decor niche was proven to sell. So I'm gonna press copy, and I'm gonna go ahead to my product hunter. Right. I'm gonna put in. Let me go ahead and use it on a different tab, so I'm not like interfering with like the existing one. You can just install Ecom Sniper on a different tab and use the product hunter there. Yeah. So let's go ahead and just import you know, we go ahead and have all of our product hunter, we put our settings. Like I want the maximum price for home decor to be like, I don't know, like even $20, right? So that way we're getting like cheap items. So let's put maximum reviews 1300. So we're gonna get one item from each of these niche. So let's go ahead and press search title. And remember, the reason why we're listing home decor is because that item sold, right? So we want to at least list like 50 items from the home decor niche. You get what I mean? People are searching for home decor, right? So I wanted that to be clear. So, oh yeah, let me go ahead and log in. I think this was the problem. Sammy at incomesniper.io. So Mark, does that make sense? Like am I explaining it clearly like
Yeah,
why
you make a lot of sense. So we have that, we're taking the lead from the sale we already got
exactly
to get into that niche.
exactly, yeah. So that way, you know, like because that it already proven to sell. And last time we sold a whole bunch of floor mats because of that. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Okay, so let's go ahead and just open up the product hunter again. And then let's go ahead and just press scan. And then we'll just pull up a few results and just know like these are the items that we're gonna throw into the bulk lister after as well. So there we go. Jar of gift wooden count leather. I don't know what that is. I guess like yeah, like whatever. It's if it shows us this, it's probably gonna. The fact that it has reviews means it's sold. You know, we don't know. In the end of the day, we don't really know what's gonna sell or what's gonna not. If you told me is a rooster home decor gonna sell, I'm gonna say no because like I wouldn't have ever thought about it. Like that wouldn't be so.
And I wouldn't even buy that to have in my house, but it's not something, but we do, but we depend on the software to give us that information.
Yeah, yeah, like that's it, right? I wouldn't have it anywhere near me, man. I would call that junk.
Yeah, exactly.
But you know, one man's treasures, another man's, you know, dropshipped item.
So
All right.
guys,
I think that's
like the video, subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Check out Ecom Sniper in the description. Have a good one.
all right. Take care, man. Take care.